Yay! Thank you po. Grabe. Thank you for the time to send stickers and for the time that you spent watching my live. And last 1 minute. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Grabe, 300 and counting. Let's go! Thank you po. Siguro payday po ni Bidams. Anyways, where was I? Yeah, about So, ganun. There's actually a time, and dahil doon, parang, tuloy, I think that's where it started na parang we were very conscious tuloy with the actions that we would make. Na, for example, konting galawan lang namin. Parang, let's not make something na, yun, sobrang madilulo din sila na puro yan na lang ifo-focus. Ganun. There's actually times before na bawal kami, pinagsabihan na kami na parang, hindi naman sa management, pero parang kami na lang din na consciously na parang, kasi naging conscious tuloy kami kasi really care about, na ayaw namin na sobrang kami na talaga lang yung focus. Kasi, yun, Bini is not just Aya, Mika. Bini is Joanna, Colette, Gwen, Maloy, Aya, Sheena, Stacy, Mika, diba? Ganun. So, yun na, for example, kung nakaban si Mika, tapos nakaban ako, I will, parang basta mag-adjust dapat kami na parang, okay, wag ka hindi ako mag-ban, ikaw lang mag-ban, ako nakalugay para hindi Kasi parang, simple things like that na parang, ay, nakaban sila dalawa, parang, oh my God, meant to be! I mean, it's cute, not gonna lie, kinikilig ako minsan, actually. It's cute, but, there's also sometimes it gets toxic na parang, yun na lang, you don't, parang natatabunan yung, other stuff to be, much more appreciative of, not just me and Mika. Like, I don't know. But we are grateful na may mga taong ganun na they support me and Mika and like, may pamikaya, ganun. Thank you guys. Like, sobrang ma-effort din sila actually. Pero yun lang, I guess just boundaries. I hope hindi nyo babastusin yung yung ibang girls. Yun lang talaga. Like, support, or in general, like example, not just me and Mika, example, if, parang for me kasi, if you truly support me, you have to support the other girls. Parang, ako na lang, don't support me na lang if it means you have to disrespect the girls. Kasi for me, parang, in a way, hindi tuloy siya genuine. Kasi I am not, I'm not just Aya. I'm Beanie Aya. I'm part of Beanie, in which in Beanie, yun nga, there's 8 girls. Ganun. Parang it's what I see then with, example, okay, let's relate it with love. Oh, diba? It's like, okay, if a guy, when picking out a guy, parang example, if you cannot respect my parents, don't date me. Kasi, I mean, if ako, kaya ko na, siguro, makakaya ko pa na, siguro, hindi mo ako ma-respect ng 100%. Pero if you do not respect my parents, even if it's just 1%, don't try to date me na lang. Kasi parang, mas masakit na makita mo yung ganun sa ibang tao kaysa sa sarili mo. Kasi at least, ikaw makakaya ko pa. Pero yeah. Kasi parang in a way, mababalik din sa'yo yan eh. 'Di ba? So yeah. So, and I respect na, well, kasi tayong lahat may mga din naman, may mga kanya-kanya namang mga bias talaga. Like, ako like, actually may mga nagtatanong din mga friends na, ano nafe-feel mo? Like example, may, kasi 'di ba 8 kayo pero may mga gano'n talaga bias si ganito, ganyan, this girl, ganyan, hindi kayo lahat, just one girl. So ako parang, okey lang, I mean, bias is bias, that's why it's called bias. Pero I hope din na porket yun yung bias mo, yun lang, like, yeah, I encourage you to support your bias kung sino man saan, support her all out, pero wag naman na i-disrespect niyo kami kasi, you know, We're still a part of Pini. And at least have the human decency, di ba? Oo. Kaya ayun. Kasi, guys, first hand talaga, may nakakita ako na parang, I don't know if they're blooms or not, pero basta may mga events, ganun-ganun. Example, pa-picture ako, Aya, pa-picture ako gato, picture ko. Tapos pag example, I don't wanna drop names, pero example, ganito, si Blank, ganun. Parang biglang, ay, parang, ba't ganun? Are you really a fan of Beanie? Pag ganun, parang, grabe ha. Parang ako yung naano. As in, may mga nakita ako talaga sa mga events, mga random people din na parang, pa-picture po, pa-picture po. Tapos, in-skip kasi ayaw. Tapos may parang, pag ano, hala, no! Delete that picture that we had. Parang, or kahit siguro, baka, like, siguro kung hindi mo naman siya bias, pero at least, like, alam mo yun, huwag mo irapan or, ako, ganun. Sana. Mm. Kaya, I hope tayo blooms, I hope we maintain a healthy relationship with each other. Spread love, yun. And I know, okay, I hope then, because I know some of you guys, real talk, some of you guys, I know your intention is to care about us and, the growth of Winnie. Alam ko gusto niyo lang yung all the great things for us, like great styling, great promotion, great music, everything. And I get it. I get it. That's why like sometimes may mga ano din, mga iba na nag-rant na parang they deserve better. Ganun, ganun. I appreciate na you guys have a thought na, oh, we deserve better. But sometimes it gets too much na yung tipong may inaapakan na kayo. Na yung tipong example, gagawa kayo ng intentional na talaga siya na gagawa kayo ng something hateful towards a person or an agency or a management or group or something na parang, please, stop. Don't be like that. Diba? Tipong example, gagawa ka ng art card na parang hateful, ano siya. Please, wag naman. Kasi, and parang that's also the thing with social media. Kasi, it's so easy to hide and put a mask behind all of the hateful ano. Kasi, yun nga, social media, ang bilis mag-type, they don't know you, they don't know you personally. So parang, even if you get the hate because of that, parang, they don't know you in person. And it's just a fake account, ganun, ganun. Pero, imagine, imagine kung yan yung action mo na ganong hate na intention is nabalik sa'yo. Would you feel great deep inside? Kasi, like, I know, example, nag-ano na, sino ba graphic artist sa ganito, gano'n, gano'n. Tapos, I get it din na parang, maybe, okay, for you, sa taste nyo, hindi the best. Pero I hope be careful din tayo sa work na parang, dapat ma-fire siya. Yung mga gano'n, like, tanggalin niya sa trabaho, hindi niya deserve mabuhay. Uy, I think that's foul. Parang, at the end of the day, tao pa rin siya. And, everybody's trying their best. Maybe siguro sometimes, maybe it's not enough for some people, but let's encourage. Like instead of saying na saying negative things na parang ano ba yan, ang pangit ng ganito, deserve niya mawala ng trabaho. What if like the way we talk is hindi ko masyado, it's not my cup of tea, pero maybe it would be better if sana ganito siguro yung yung color, maganda sana, pero I think mas maging maganda, alam mo yun, mga ganon. Yeah, constructive criticism, hindi yung sobrang hate talaga. Kasi, basta yeah. Kasi imagine, ikaw, Imagine ikaw tapos nagbigay ka ng assignment sa teacher mo. Tapos for you it's the best na pero sa mata ng teacher mo it's the worst kasi your teacher have seen ano na nakita na yung lahat ng mga magandang work na pero and it did not pass the standards. So parang 'di ba what would you feel? Parang you think na, oh my God, am I really not enough? Should I, tapos you'd think na parang, sige, shift na lang ako ng course, ganun. Kasi parang, wala, hindi naman talaga enough ako eh. Pero, oh, di ba? Gusto mo ba yung teacher mo, pagsigawan ka, tapos worse, your teacher's gonna humiliate you in front of the class na parang, ano ba yan, look at class, ito yung ginawa ni ganito, ang pangit, di ba? Di ba? Imagine. I feel like you would have a teacher talaga who is very encouraging na parang, I see your work. Tapos, I feel like I feel like, pero you can say na, I feel like it's not the best, but I know you can still do the best and I believe in you. Alam mo yun, ganun. Yeah. And also, I think it also relates. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero that's also what I noticed with, um, I think it's also like a generational type of thing. Ganun. Baka siguro yung mga mahilig mag-ganon is, from a different generation na yung generation, yung uso is, I mean, tough love. Because there's a generation na uso yung tough love. Tapos there's a generation na maano na, encouraging type of way. Mm. So yeah. Kaya, easy lang guys. We appreciate you guys and thank you because means you're thinking for the betterment of Pini and sa ikagaganda ng growth namin. We appreciate you guys for that, but let's stay decent and then practice good etiquette, especially on social media. Yeah. And also the reason why I'm talking about this because I feel like this is also a great way for me to use Kumu, not just I know mga gantong oras and I don't know baka din kaya siguro inaabangan niyo ako guys for 100 something viewers kasi baka kala niyo kasi basta mga 12 a.m. hits with Aya lagi mga random and parang ewan ko may saltik sa utak ako. Parang, ang random ko kahit ano-ano na lang ginagawa ko. Pero I think it's also a great way for me to use this platform to talk about these kind of stuff. So, here I am. Here I am talking about this. Yeah. Yeah. And sana din, we use, diba? So, may mga naman kayo, may mga pala kayo sa TikTok, sa Twitter. Mga fake account, ganun, top account. Sana you use that na lang for something good. Like, ano ba makukuha nyo with all the hate that you put out there on social media? Attention, ego? Is it really worth it? Ask yourself, is it really worth it?
Narinig niyo po kami po. Let's search.